welcome back to Code with Kaleem. Today I'm going to continue with my Angular series. This will be our sixth video of this series, and today our topic in this video will be Angular CLI and important commands. In this video you will not get anything related to code, but this will be very important video in terms of interview point of view, right? So in this video we will cover number of commands, and we will cover around 7 to 10 commands, like how you can make a component, like how you can make a component inside a folder, and how you will make a component inside a module, and some other commands as well. So let's jump into this and see that what type of commands that I'm talking. I just open this Code with Kaleem terminal, and here we have one command. For instance, we can just type ng help, and what this will do for us, in ng help we have the number of options: add, analytics, build, cache, completion, config, deploy, and some other, of course, serve, test, and updation, blah blah. So these are the things that let me show you something from the web as well, that from where this is the angular.dev. This there are some previous links as well that has been deprecated now, so you can use the updated one for after the Angular 17 especially. So you can use this, and for this one let me show you that how you can generate any component. Although you can generate the component manually as well, but it will take a lot of time. You can say you can just generate the component by use it will take around 4 to 5 minutes, and but by use the command you can generate in 2 or 3 seconds. So let me generate the first component for you, and here we have, for instance, that I'm going to generate ng generate component login, for instance, right? And we will see that what it will do. So it just generated some component. Now see where it generated inside the app, and these are the components that has been generated for you. So the specs file as well, and the ts file as well. So the 4 files it will generate for you. So so if you started do it, if you want to generate it, if you want to write these files manually, that you can also do it, but of course it will take time, and you will of course have a lot of chance that you will do the mistake in this one. So it's better that you should use the commands. So we can also use the other one inside of the generate. We can just use ng, right? ngc or component ngc, and let me generate another component like register. So now see, this command will also work, right? So you can see that here you can generate the register as well. So you can start work on this area, and some other commands that you can see it here: ng add, ng what I use ng generate for now. ng generate have the components, so you can use it here: ng component name, options, ng generate, c component name, right? So some other stuff, let me show you that how you can generate a module, right? How you can generate a module. Let me show you. nggm user dash auth, for instance, right? So if I will run this one, then it will generate a module, right? This is a module. So remember that module is a bigger thing. If you think that what is difference, it could have a one question from the from interview prospect point of view, that if someone will ask you what is difference between module and component. Remember, module is a bigger picture, although it just shows you one thing here, but it is a bigger picture that it can have multiple components, and the but component is a in this component you can use multiple components inside a module, and that can be integrated this register. But in case of component stuff, that you can just integrate with some other modules right? So this is a thing that, but whenever you have to use the component, you have to import it here, right? So that is the thing we will see about that how we will import and how these things will work in upcoming videos. But for now, this video will be entirely, I will focus on the command, so I don't want to distract the things here. So we'll see in upcoming videos that how we can use the components inside a module. So so the other command, there are a number of command, you know, that even I don't know about these commands. I mean that I don't remember these things. I know that what these commands are doing, so you don't need to worry about that you should learn all the commands. Mostly in our daily practice, the most of the commands that, like in Angular services, in Angular we use ng component, ng build, ng serve, and these type of ng module, these type of things, and ng interface, and then the class that you can also use. And the other things are different one that you might need in some cases. Then you can just jump into this page and can figure out the things. So let me show you that how we can generate a class by using our command. So for that one, you can, although class, to generate a class is not a big thing, you can also do it manually, but I just want to show you things here. Ng generate, for instance, ng generate class, ng generate class and test, or you can say car, right? So it will just generate a one class for you, right? Let me show you something here. This is the thing, it come up with the two files, car specs.ts, car.ts, export class car is generated, and car specs.ts is also generated here. So this is basically a ts file that you already know. That basically, for the beginners, it's not necessary to understand this specs.ts, but just to give you bird eye view of the things, that you just have to use the written script in order to think in order to see the things, that whether it's your application is working as per provided test cases. We will see this in future, but right now I'm not going to cover this one. I'm just wanted to focus on the commands at this stage. So the next thing, that for instance, if you want to generate an interface, you can also use the same command, but with just with the name of interface, ng interface, car implementation, car implement. So for instance, ng interface car implement, that interface will also be created for you. Export interface car implement, right? So this the next command, I'm not going to tell you regarding the interface and the difference between interface and class. That is a separate topic, and you can explore some other videos, because the interface and class is a basic stuff that you must know while you started implementing things in any language. So for this one, in Angular, we have another command, ng build. What it do, it basically generate the, it make a build, it make a build of this applications. It takes some time, but after that it make a build, and then you can start running the project as well. So for this one, yeah, okay, you can see that it's run here, and you, and the other one, the most common and command is ng start, for instance. ng start or npm start, for instance, that we use for to run the project, right? So this is a thing that in this video I just want to tell you that what are the commands that we can use in Angular terminal. So guys, stay tuned with this, and I'm going to come up with another video, so you will able to learn a lot of things in future. Stay connected, and please subscribe my channel to keep connected and to get the updated videos. Thank you.